Makisi eiko achiel kuom jotije mag Roll Media Services manetiyo kaka chukdar e site Manarok. Leonard Oro mosetiyo ne Roll Media Services kuom higni 8 oywagi kaka ng'ama nohero tije kendo ne tiyo kanyakla kod ji. Sami Gikongo mochung'ne weche tudruok kanyakla kod Philip Owenga manie tudruok jotij notelo ne jokambi mar RMS e ywago oro. Oweyo minot kod nyithindo 7.
No, ma'am, is here with us, but the void you've left will never be filled. And that love you showered us will remain forever. And so will the teaching you give us. Keep watching over us. We will surely miss you, Dad. You are one special soul to me and our family. I wish you were physically here with us, but that can never be. I hope you understand that I will give anything if I could to hold your hand. The next time we meet, I won't cry anymore.
Leonard showed a lot of interest and fascination in technical work, and whenever working teams were on site, this way he learned a lot, making him an extra supportive hand and a worthy resource to his colleagues.
We will not let you walk it alone. I know probably after this we'll still have conversations and see where we can come in to assist. Okay?